Right, going up Farnley Tyas bell tower, number 2.
Good. Then,
Is that the clock room?
yeah, clock up here as well, clock's in here.
Let's have a look, Andrew. I need to get that in there, the clock room.
There's not room for more than one up there, so you're on your own, I'm afraid, if you want to go up there.
Alright, just wanted to video that clock behind there.
Well, the clock's in here.
So we
Again, you'll have to all, come past here, get past it.
So I'm in the big clock room now. Do a history about it because I might never get another chance. Andrew, not loud enough. This is the Farnley Tyas church clock. Is it electronic? It
Yes,
isn't it?
yes,
It's
it
not
is.
a wind-up
Yes.
like the one it used.
No, it's all electronic. Automatic timing, automatic at the change of hours during the winter and summer, it changes on its own electronically. So we don't have to touch it.
Oh, that's good. So I'm in Farnley Tyas church clock room where the clock mechanism is. 1964. That's the only clock there is outside, I can tell. And that's the strike up there that hits the big bell to tenor. Just gonna turn around. Is that door open up there?
Yep. Yep.
Alright.
You okay?
Be careful.
Yeah. Yes, take care.
Horbury's a bit like this as well. Horbury Church.
Is it? Yes.
Yeah, and the bells are on both ends. So I'm going up to see the bells now.
Squeeze up through the beams now.
Yeah, I can see like the one in. Hold on.
This is part of the mechanism, or?
Oh, yes, the clock.
Right, let me just come in there.
Then turn yourself around and you can see it.
Yeah, in a minute. I'm coming up into the bells. Oh my god, what's that behind me? Wait a minute. Right. Ouch. Ooh. Right, the bells now.
Okay.
Yes.
Good.
These are the Farnley Tyas 5 chiming bells now. Oh, don't worry, this will be a long YouTube of them. It used to be an Elecum chime, but it's now hit with those hammers. It's only got 5. Some windows are blocked up now. Oh, it's got that stuff that you like. Those are the hammers that whack them. This is St Lucy's Church. That's the hammer that strikes the bell for the hour. That's the tenor. Excuse me.
Okay then.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm going to take some photographs in a minute. I'm just.
Don't touch any of Richard's switches with you.
Oh no, no.
Otherwise he'll be after you.
I won't touch them. I'm just videoing the famous bells of the UK. So these are hung dead bells. 1974 then.
Rotten,
Yeah, this one's all right.
yeah, so far.
Yes,
And that one's
yeah, that's okay. Yes,
looks pretty
yes,
solid.
yeah, yes.
Beams there.
Yeah, good steady beams. Yes, all all these.
I'll take some pictures in a minute. I haven't finished yet. Still got to. I'll video the sound of them outside actually, not up here.
Yeah, I guess your best. Yes.
It's too small in here to do it.
Now, if you're coming down, come down backwards.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, when you're coming down forwards, you know,
Oh no,
it'll
no.
be too difficult.
Do you go down them backwards as well?
Yes. No, no, no. Just go steady.
So I'm up in the bells at Farnley Tyas St Lucius Church. These are 5 bells only
Oh, yeah.
on timber frames.
Yeah.
So handles it. So,
How do you want to get down?
ceiling section. I had good kids. He was showing off to them. Look at me. And then come down. So I'll go down first. And then you have to put his foot into the edge and help him because you can't see, can you?
That's where the sound comes from, the top of those louvers up there.
Yes, but then when you have to see
You've got to well get the fight dongs.
Disconcerting.
particularly with the big guys in the aircraft carriers.
That's a tenner there.
Yeah.
That one.
Move about in the sea.
Oh yes,
Even big craft.
even big ones. Oh, yes.
That big hammer that hits the bell.
Okay.
It's alright, I'm okay.
Good.
I've got to take. I'm going to do some photograph taking as well.
Okay, good, good.
I'm alright. I'm
Down there going,
Yes, you're doing
I'll turn this off in a minute and just give it another whirl. Because no one ever puts anything about the bells on YouTube, so I don't mind doing it for them. So it's all changed since last time I came up. I must have hired them.
steel. Which will rust, but it won't.
Well, yes.
It'll last longer than a bit.
There was some bird book up there, pigeon against a clean all out.
So this is Farnley Tyas St Lucius Church. Those are the windows that are blocked up with bricks. Them down there. So that's where the clock is, that way.
Short towers
We should have cured it, we don't get something in now if it comes.
Be a bit loud to watch them up here, but it doesn't matter. I'll get the sound outside before we
Right,
enter.
coming down.
Yeah, in a minute. I'm just going to take some photographs with my other camera.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Thank you, Brian.
Are they pulleys from the old,
Yes, they're all pulleys.
from the old bell mechanisms?
There was an helicum chime here then. Last time I came up.
Yeah, cast iron.
They cast iron.
The pulleys probably. Probably. No, it's all cast iron. I was in engineering.
Yeah.
This time, I worked quite local, HV bearings at Farnley.
Oh yeah, yes. Yes, it must be.
It's so good.
That's the bells done now.
And